National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Union County, Illinois, until 11:45 a.m. Jonesboro, moving northeast at expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar.
Attacks are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Anna, Jonesboro, Cobden, and Ware. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 30 and 38. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. for the following county: Union, Illinois,